What is napkin folding? Why need to fold? What is the function? That's what we are going to talk about today. Don't miss the following video. We will share a variety of folding tips. Hi, this is Sylvia. This channel is for one-stop solutions for restaurants. If you are interested, remember to pay attention to us. 5 restaurants and hotels will fold the napkin to different shapes. Beautiful and elegant will give a good impression to customers. Napkin folding has about 10 kinds of methods, some simple, some complex. Napkins can be folded to different shapes, such as kite, butterfly, cow, heart shape, sleigh, squib, lotus, rose, bird, and so on. Now, let's take a look at the specific steps of folding methods. It's the most basic technique to fold the napkin: 2-fold, 4-fold, rectangular, triangular, square, trapezoid. Calculate a good angle 1 time to finish. If appear repeated folding will leave creases in napkin, affect the appearance of napkin flowers. Pushing is a method of folding napkins into different pieces. 2 thumbs face each other in a line. Finger pop outward, then press the napkin forward to fold. 2 fingers will hold the folded piece. 2 middle fingers will control the distance of the next piece. 3 different fingers cooperate with each other for back and forth movement. The piece should be uniform and neat. Volume. Use from forefinger, middle finger together to roll napkin to all sorts of sinister form. There are 2 categories: straight roll and spiral roll, like a peacock. Straight roll include single head roll, double head roll, such as a sinner lily. Flat head roll at the napkin volume need roll up tightly. Turning technique refer to the napkin folding process will make the napkin into the required pattern. Use the right hand from forefinger, middle finger, 3 fingers together to turn the napkin into the required shape, including tight turning and loose turning. In this process, pay attention to the size. Keep them natural and beautiful. Wearing. After pushing the napkin with press, then hold it in left hand tightly. Use chopsticks to get into the napkin press, and then put them inside the glass first. This way will keep them not easy to lose. Generally, the napkin can get into 1, 2, 3, or 4 chopsticks. Will depend on your lead. The finished press should be flat, straight, fine, and uniform. Pinch. This method is mainly used to make the head of an animal such as a bird. First, use the right hand forefinger to force an angle of napkin upward to a vertex angle, and then use that forefinger bring the napkin to press from the top. At the same time, use thumb and middle finger hold the 2 sides. Then pull out the forefinger. Left hand, thumb and middle finger pinch the napkin tightly. Finally, pinch the napkin between thumb and middle finger to pull straight, become a head of a bird. 3 points need noted. Head angle, mouth angle need keep in place. Bending. Bending is a way to fold a bouquet of flowers with a napkin. You can use right hand to bend the finished piece one by one. Finally become a flower. This process no need too much force to avoid the losing. The hierarchy is distinct. The spacing is uniform. Catching is a technique used to keep the shape of the napkin. Generally, use the left hand to hold the middle or lower part of the napkin, and then use the right hand to operate the other parts. The napkin which clutched in the hand should not be squeezed flatter. Okay, today we introduce different restaurant napkin folding ideas. If you are interested, remember to subscribe our channel. Besides, we all support the restaurant design and layout drawings. If you are going to open a restaurant, welcome to contact us for more details. If you have anything want to know, welcome to leave the comment and we will try our best to help you. Next video, we will talk about proper afternoon tea etiquette.